very simple jollof rice. I'm sure you are going to like this. Just watch the video to the end to know how I prepared this delicious vegetable jollof rice. Keep watching. These are my ingredients we are going to use to prepare this jollof rice. Green beans, this is carrot, this is fresh tomato. You can as well use tomato paste for this. This is my onion, one for garnishing and one for frying the fresh tomato. My beef stock and my bell pepper. This is my fresh pepper. So this is my chicken broth. And this is my ginger powder. Can also use any seasoning of your choice. This is salt. This is my rice, parboiled and washed, ready to be used. A vegetable oil you can as well add or reduce depending on your taste or your choice of oil.
I love oily jollof rice. This is all that we'll be needing for this our vegetable jollof rice. As I said earlier, you can as well use tomato paste. It all depends on your taste. But I like everything fresh. That is why I prefer using only um, fresh tomato. And moreover, this is the season, so I like enjoying um, everything at its season.
Let's prepare the veggies and get back to you.
Okay, guys, we are done slicing our vegetables. So we'll go ahead. This one is for the garnishing. This is for the frying of the vegetables and our tomato. So we just add our oil.
Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, click the red subscribe icon. Also, click on the notification bell, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.